What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to please request every single person watching to like, comment, share, subscribe, check out all the videos, click the bell icon so you're notified for every single drop. Also got a Discord link below, so click on it and join if you wish. And yeah, let's get straight into this one. Boring box. I don't even want to get into that one, to be honest. We already know what it is. Let's get into the information on the label. So that's a Nike Air Max 95. Sorry for not reviewing as many recently. The colorway is black, Picante red, and Anthracite. I can't even pronounce that. Picante red. They got so many names, I don't even know what to call these, not gonna lie. US 11, UK 10, centimeter 29, BR 43, Euro 45. Women's sizing below that. Still don't know why centimeters is half a centimeter bigger. The style code is FD06630002 and they are made in Indonesia. Yes. So in the pictures, yeah, I saw the pictures and I thought, nah, they're just, generic, whatever. But as you can see from this, wow, they're so good, man. So we'll just go through the colors and that, and then we'll continue talking about them. So it's got that Picante red, type of orangey red on the bottom. The rest is all black, just plain, very standard, normal. I like that though. Then again, we got that Picante red orangey bubbles. They just stand out so much. Like, they look so good on camera, they look so good in person. I think they look better on the camera though. Midsole, standard blacked out midsole. Bottom layer, we have a tumbled ish leather. It is quite smooth for a tumbled leather. Then we've got a smooth type of nubuck material, and then again we've got tumbled leather, this time in a sort of wolf grey colorway. Very nice regardless. We've got that Picante red swoosh stitched in. Then the top layer, they don't look like that always because obviously I've got a light on, etc. But you can see the multi swoosh pattern. With the light off or whatever, they'll look a bit different, but still, regardless, just to show you the detail, proper nice, man. So it is like a greyish. And then we've got mesh, standard black mesh, as always. Better than some of the pairs, but still kind of on the flimsy side, but we'll get past that. Toe box, we've got leather again. So I love it when there's leather on the toe box, man. Or the front, the tip, whatever you want to call them. It's got a tumbled leather right there. Laces, they are reflective. Usually with certain pairs, this bit will be 3M. This isn't 3M. This is just a black type of tumbled leather. Let the camera get that properly. Round laces, the reflective standard laces, and then the Air Max logo on the tongue. Classic. On the back, I need to double check if that is 3M. Let me just grab a flash and then we can check. Ish, kind of, not really, I don't know. Yeah, that's a bit odd. Kind of, ever so slightly a 3M, but I don't know. Yeah, that's not that great, to be honest. But regardless of all that, wow, man, I love this pair. I actually love this pair. It's such a good pair. I weren't even gonna pick these up, and then I thought, why not? There's a Nike promotion on right now, so they're around 120 instead of their full retail about 170. Yes, I just love these, man. Like, they're so good. I can't even say anything. But definitely I do need Nike to stop releasing black pairs now. Let's get some more colors, some different styles, because I've got so many of literally the same thing, and it's like, you know, how many can I wear with different things? It's literally the same sort of outfit, just different trainers. But yeah, Nike, holler me, I'll shout me, I'll send the CV over rapid, and let's talk. But overall, beautiful colorway. I love these trainers, man. I love them, man. But yeah, people, let me know what you think. Tell me if you hate them. Tell me if you rate them. Tell me if you got them. Check out all the other videos. Click the bell icon. Discord link below. Wait a few seconds and you will see a on foot video. The on foot video will also get posted separately, as I do with every pickup. Nothing more from me for today. So take care, people. Peace.